Hi, I'm Andrea Hoffman, Respiratory Therapist, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a nebulizer. So when you receive your box, you're going to want to remove everything. Here I have my compressor and I have two nebulizer kits. So my first kit is my reusable one, which I'm going to use, and this kit is good for about 6 months. We have our disposable kit that we would use in case of anything happening to our reusable one. So I'm going to go ahead and get my kit hooked up to my compressor. So my tubing on the ends are identical. So this end's just going to go into my compressor, and this end's going to go into my nebulizer kit. So this kit comes with a mouthpiece. You do want to use the mouthpiece if you're able, because you will receive more medication. If for some reason you're not able to use a mouthpiece, there are masks available. So you can see this adult mask just fits right on there, just like that. And we also have pediatric masks for our little ones. So I'm going to go ahead and put my mouthpiece back on here because that's what I'm going to use today for the demo. I'm going to unscrew my lid. Now the medication is going to be prescribed by your provider and will be picked up from your pharmacy. So today I'm going to put my medication into my nebulizer cup. And I'm going to go ahead and screw my lid back on. So when I am ready to do my treatment, I'm going to breathe naturally with some nice deep breaths in between, maybe a little bit of a breath hold to make sure that the medication is getting deep into my lungs where it's going to help with my breathing issues. So when I use it, I'm going to put this in my mouth behind my teeth and close my lips around here. I'm going to keep the mouthpiece in my mouth when I'm inhaling and I'm exhaling. I'm going to swallow normally when I have this in my mouth. So now I'll actually demonstrate it. So now I'm going to turn it on, and when I do that, you're going to be able to see the medication aerosolizing. So during your treatment, you can relax, watch TV, read a book, whatever it is, as long as you continue to breathe. Depending on the medication that's in here, it may take up to 15 minutes, 5 to 15 minutes for that treatment. When you're done, you're going to take your kit apart. You're going to rinse it out. You're going to let it air dry. And then you can store it right on your compressor until the next one. There is a filter on this compressor. Removing that was just a turn. This is good for, really it's dependent on how it looks. So if it gets dirty or wet, then you're going to want to change it. You will contact your DME company when you need more of these. So then you just kind of put it back in there and turn it until it clicks. Like that. Your start-stop button is on the back here, right there. And that's how to use a nebulizer. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you very much.